Now you don't see me. I'm blending in with this paper. Can you guess what this week we're going to read about? I bet you can't because you can see the title Animal Mimics. And it is written by Mary Racanelli. So Animal Mimics. What do we think that means, like, just right off the bat? Anyone? Oh, mimicry. Oh, wait a minute. Look, after we move this, let's look down here. Mimicry, mimics, mimicry. Maybe it's part of the same word. Let's go. Let's preview that vocabulary. Mimicry, the ability to look or act like something else. Oh, is that why Mr. Herring was like, he's a piece of paper? He's acting like something else? That's exactly why. And I'm a weirdo. Yeah. Okay, so one of our words today is mimicry. So the ability to look like or the ability to look or act like something else. So right here, we see an example of this caterpillar that kind of looks like a snake or a lizard because of the shape of its back and eye spots, right? So a lot of smaller predators would not mess with this lizard because they wouldn't think it's food and it could hurt them, right? So it's mimicking, right? Now, we also have species. Nope, we have species. So categories of living things. Oh, you mean like we have bugs, mammals, reptiles? Yes, Mr. Herring, that's exactly what species are. Oh, okay. Okay, those are different. Yeah, they're different species of animal, right? Yeah, okay. All right. So we have like the caterpillar here. We have this cool fly you're going to learn about. It's pretty cool. Now we have snakes. Those are not bugs, right? So they're a different species. Okay. Let's check this. Environment. So, environment is all living things and conditions of a place. So, right here, we have this snap bush and we also have this caterpillar on it, right? So, this is all part of the environment because it is a living thing and it's a condition. So, the conditions we'll say are green. Mr. Herring's kind of making a joke here because everything's green in the background, right? So, they're in a forest. And it's pretty green, right? Okay. So an environment is like outside, where you're at. So if there's a lot of flowers, the environment has a lot of flowers. If there's a lot of wind, the environment's very windy. Okay? So it's just talking about all the living things and conditions of a place, specific place. Okay? Arranged, organized, or designed. Have you ever been told by your parents to arrange your books or to arrange your toys so that they actually kind of make sense where they are? Have you ever arranged all your pens to make sure you have your pens with your pens and not your pencils or your markers? You want each one arranged differently, right? Okay. Or what about if your parents or you have changed where your furniture is in your room or the living room or their bedroom because they want it to look different, right? So it's organized or designed that way. Okay. And last one, habitat. The place where a living thing lives or grows. So let's see. So we have a beautiful butterfly here. And let's see. We have look at these snakes. Look at these snakes. We have the king snake right here. And you see its habitat here. It's outside. It's rocky. It's kind of grassy. It likes to live where it can hide. Its habitat needs to have a lot of hidey holes or hiding places, and it needs to have a lot of things it can eat, right? So habitat, the place where a living thing lives or grows. Just like your habitat